Okay, so we'll assume you've cleaned all this, put your new gaskets in. First thing to do, turn your gears all the way down so you're in 14th, that's anti-clockwise. That's the first thing. Now we have to do the cable. There's two parts for this. That is the underside, can we see that? Just about, there's a little recess in there. So that's the bottom, this is the top. I'll pop the cable through. Just get this roughly equal, doesn't have to be exact. That'll do. Pull that tight so it's nice. In there. Right, now, this is the difficult bit. Pop that on an 8mm Allen key. Note here, the cable, the groove ends there, so the cable goes the other way. And it's opposite on the other side. So this one goes this way, put your thumb there. This one goes 2.5 turns. Hold those tight. This, make sure it's the top. That part lines up with the edge of the bolt in 14th gear, give or take. That's the most difficult part. Next, grab that one. There's a little circle on this one, that faces up. Okay, now you can measure this, it's 165mm. Make sure that cable's tight. You can use pliers, just grab the end because that bit gets cut off. Okay. Slide that one on. Not going to worry about the zip tie for now. Cable end, make sure this is all the way to the end. That's not quite right. We'll leave you with about 3 or 4mm there. That's where you need 3 hands. Okay, no need to over tighten these. That's the first one. Then just get the end of the cable. Again, we're going to cut this end off, so it doesn't matter if you damage it a little bit. Then we're going to pull it all the way to first gear. Repeat the process. Tighten that up and then we're good to go.